Neville Goddard, assume you are what you want to be, and you will be that. Have you ever paused to think about the incredible power of your imagination? You see, the mind is a canvas upon which we paint our realities. When you truly understand this, you begin to grasp the profound connection between your thoughts and your experiences. It's essential to recognize that every great achievement begins as a thought. Your thoughts are not merely ephemeral notions, they are the seeds from which your reality grows. Once you internalize this idea, you are poised to win big in your life. Imagine standing on the precipice of your desires, feeling the excitement coursing through you as you envision your dreams coming to fruition. This is not just a fleeting feeling, it is a tangible reality waiting to be manifested. The law of assumption states that whatever you assume to be true will become your reality. When you hold a conviction about your future, you lay the groundwork for that future to materialize. This is not just an abstract idea, it's a fundamental principle that governs the universe. Think about it, every person you see around you, every situation you encounter, is shaped by assumptions. Those assumptions create your beliefs, and your beliefs shape your actions. If you believe you are destined for success, you will act in ways that align with that belief. Conversely, if you hold negative assumptions, you will find yourself trapped in a cycle of self-doubt and limitation. This is why it is crucial to examine the assumptions you hold about yourself and your life. Now, let's dive deeper into this. When you consciously decide to adopt a new assumption, you begin to alter the very fabric of your reality. Picture a world where your assumptions are infused with positivity, abundance, and success. You can transform your life simply by changing the way you think. This is the essence of the law of assumption. The moment you decide to believe in your success, to assume that you are worthy of all that you desire, you set into motion the processes that bring those desires to life. To illustrate this, consider the story of someone who dreamed of starting their own business. They faced numerous obstacles, and doubt crept into their mind. Yet, through persistence and the power of their imagination, they began to visualize their success. They imagined every detail of their business, the location, the customers, the products. With each passing day, their belief in their vision grew stronger, and so did the results. They took steps toward their goal, fueled by the assumption that success was inevitable. Eventually, their dream materialized, and they became the proud owner of a thriving enterprise. This transformation didn't happen by chance, it was the result of unwavering belief and the power of assumption. It's important to understand that your assumptions do not operate in isolation. They are interconnected, influencing various aspects of your life. For example, the assumption that you are deserving of love and happiness will radiate through your relationships. When you genuinely believe that you are worthy, you attract similar energies. Conversely, if you assume you are unworthy or undeserving, you create barriers to the very love and joy you seek. Let's take a moment to explore the practical steps you can take to harness the law of assumption effectively. First, start by identifying the assumptions that currently govern your life. Write them down, and take an honest look at whether they serve your highest good. Are they rooted in fear or lack? Or do they inspire growth and abundance? This self-reflection is vital. Once you identify limiting beliefs, you can consciously work to replace them with empowering ones. Next, create a vivid mental picture of your desired reality. Visualization is a powerful tool that can help solidify your assumptions. Spend time each day imagining your life as you want it to be. See yourself achieving your goals, living your dreams, and feeling the emotions associated with that reality. Engage all your senses. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you feel? The more real you make this experience in your mind, the stronger the impact on your subconscious. Affirmations also play a significant role in shaping your assumptions. Craft positive statements that reflect your new beliefs. For example, instead of saying, "I will be successful," say, "I am successful." Speak these affirmations daily, allowing them to permeate your thoughts. Over time, your subconscious will start to accept these statements as truths, aligning your reality with your new assumptions. As you cultivate this mindset, take inspired action. The law of assumption is not solely about thought, it requires action that aligns with your beliefs. When opportunities arise, seize them. Trust that you are worthy of success, and let that belief guide your choices. Whether it's applying for that dream job, starting a new project, or engaging with others, approach each moment with confidence and conviction. Gratitude also plays a crucial role in this journey. Cultivating a grateful mindset shifts your focus from lack to abundance. Each day, take a moment to acknowledge the blessings in your life, no matter how small. This practice reinforces your new assumptions, creating a positive feedback loop. As you express gratitude, you invite more reasons to be thankful into your life. Moreover, be mindful of the company you keep. Surround yourself with those who uplift and inspire you. Engage with individuals who share similar beliefs and aspirations. Their energy and support will help reinforce your new assumptions, creating an environment conducive to growth and success. On the other hand, distance yourself from negativity and skepticism. The influence of others can shape your thoughts, so choose your circle wisely. In moments of doubt, return to your mental imagery and affirmations. Remind yourself of the reality you are creating. Your imagination is a powerful ally, capable of guiding you through uncertainty. As you move forward, celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Each step toward your goal is a testament to the power of your assumptions. Acknowledge your progress and reinforce your belief in your capabilities. This practice cultivates a positive feedback loop, propelling you toward even greater achievements. Think of beliefs as the foundation of a house. If the foundation is weak, the house cannot stand firm against the storms of life. To reinforce this foundation, it's important to question your long-held beliefs. Are they based on past experiences, societal expectations, or inherited fears? By identifying the origin of your beliefs, you can start to dismantle those that no longer serve you. This process requires introspection and courage, as it challenges the very essence of how you view yourself and your capabilities. In addition, the importance of consistency cannot be overstated. Consistently aligning your thoughts and actions with your new assumptions creates a magnetic force that draws your desires closer to you. Daily rituals, whether through journaling, meditation, or affirmations, can help reinforce your newfound beliefs. These practices serve as reminders of the reality you are creating and help solidify your commitment to that vision. Engaging with literature and materials that inspire you can also play a crucial role in this process. Surround yourself with books, podcasts, and teachings that resonate with your aspirations. The wisdom shared by others who have successfully navigated this path can offer guidance and encouragement as you work to reshape your own reality. This constant influx of inspiration can spark new ideas and motivate you to remain steadfast in your journey. So, consider the role of self-compassion as you navigate this transformative path. It's natural to experience moments of doubt or setbacks along the way. Rather than judging yourself harshly for these experiences, treat yourself with kindness and understanding. Acknowledge that growth is a process filled with ups and downs, and be gentle with yourself during times of struggle. This compassion will help maintain your mental well-being and keep you aligned with your goals. As you cultivate these practices, remain open to the signs and opportunities that the universe presents. Often, our desires manifest in ways we least expect. By staying attuned to your intuition and being receptive to new possibilities, you allow yourself to experience the richness of life in all its forms. Trust that everything is unfolding as it should and that you are supported in your endeavors. As we draw this conversation to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on the profound insights we've discussed. The law of assumption is a powerful tool that, when understood and applied, can lead you to remarkable achievements. Your thoughts are not just fleeting ideas, they are the building blocks of your reality. By consciously shaping your assumptions and aligning your actions, you create a pathway toward your desires. Your journey doesn't end here. As you step away from this discussion, keep the principles we've explored close to your heart. Recognize the immense potential that lies within you. The world is a reflection of your beliefs, and when you elevate your thoughts, you elevate your life. Each day is an opportunity to cultivate positivity and confidence in your abilities. The choices you make today set the stage for tomorrow's realities. If this message resonates with you and you want to stay connected with more insights and inspiration, there are several ways you can support this channel. First, please hit the like button to let us know that this content is meaningful to you. Your feedback helps us create more content that aligns with your interests and needs. Second, subscribing to our channel ensures that you never miss an update. By subscribing, you join a growing group of individuals who are committed to exploring their divine purpose and making a difference in the world. Third, consider sharing this video with friends or family who might benefit from hearing this message. Your support in spreading the word helps us reach a wider audience and inspire others who may be on their own journey of discovery. Fourth, leave a comment below with your thoughts or experiences related to being chosen by God. Engaging in conversation with others can provide additional insights and strengthen our shared understanding of this profound topic. Feel free to leave comments sharing your thoughts or personal experiences. Your insights are valuable, and they contribute to the conversation we are fostering here. Engaging with others who are on a similar path can provide support and encouragement as we all strive for greatness. Lastly, consider sharing this video with friends and family. Your willingness to spread these teachings can inspire others to explore their potential. Together, we can create a wave of positive change that impacts many lives. Thank you for being here and for your willingness to explore the power of your mind. Trust in your abilities, remain committed to your assumptions, and watch as your reality transforms before your eyes.